Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete friends on Snapchat. Well, this is useful if you want to just clean your friend list or you really want to unfriend someone, right? So here I will just go into this Snapchat. I will click my own profile, which is on the top left side corner. Then here I will just scroll a little bit down, and here in the friends section you can see there is an option of my friends. Just click over there. Now if I want to remove a friend, for example I want to remove her, I will click and hold, and once I click on hold I will get a drop down from bottom. I will click on manage friendship, then I will click on remove friend, then it will ask me reconfirm it, then I will just click on remove. So you can see that my dad friend has been removed, and you can just remove your friends like this, what I have shown. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.